In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a table into a Mailchimp email using a code block. This method is highly recommended because it offers full compatibility and allows you to take complete control over the formatting of your table. Whether you are using the new or classic Mailchimp email builder, this approach will work seamlessly, making it an ideal choice for all your table insertion needs. Let's start by navigating to your email editor in Mailchimp. Once you're there, you'll want to locate the option to add a new content block. Depending on the version you're using, this could be under the Build or Basic category. Look for an option that says Code and select it. This is the content block that will house your HTML table code. With the code content block added to your email, it's time to insert your HTML table code. Now, if you're familiar with HTML, you might already have a table code ready. If not, a simple example could include just a few rows and columns to get you started. Something like this. Open your HTML tag with a yum tag, and then start each new row with a yeesh tag. Inside each, define your headers with a ye, and your regular data with a yeet. Make sure to close each tag appropriately to ensure everything displays correctly in your email. After you've carefully placed your HTML table code into the editor, it's crucial to take a moment to review what you've inputted. Double-check that you've closed all your tags properly. A tiny oversight in your HTML can lead to display issues when your email reaches its destination. Once you're satisfied with the format and content of your table, the next step is to click Save and Close. This action will embed your table into your email, meaning it's now ready to be sent out to your recipients without any further alterations. The beauty of this approach is its reliability. By manually coding your table, you maintain total control over its appearance, ensuring that what you see is exactly what your audience will get. This technique not only makes sure that your table looks just the way you want it to, but it also guarantees a consistent appearance across various email clients. That's a huge advantage when you're striving for a professional look in your communications. In conclusion, using the code content block to insert your table is a straightforward yet highly effective method in Mailchimp. It's a solution that provides comprehensive compatibility and format control, ensuring your emails always look their best. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful for your next email campaign.